All right, good morning. So, kind of getting back into the trading cards, and went to my parents last night and ended up finding my old cards. So I wanted to take a look at them. They're a little dusty. This was way back, probably 97, I'm guessing. I'm pretty sure I collected my first Upper Deck Collector's Choice, the whole set. I was playing Little League and would get a pack or two and then just kept storing them. So I think they're in here. I have other cards that I've been going through in my office inside and just kind of going through, see what we got. I've been having fun trading, selling, buying. So I'm into sports cards, Pokemon, everything. So there's a, look at this, it's just a box. I might see if our local game store would want these. So we got over here too. Oh, the box stinks. Just smells like old Lion King. Killer Instant. You remember that? I don't know if it's, yeah, Killer Instant. Lion King. What's this one? Street Fighter 2. I think I have that on the Switch right now. Alright. It is a little cold, but let me see. Some of these are so dusty. Ooh, Mike Piazza. Look at these old cards. Oh, man. Pops. 2000. Oh, boy. Craig Biggio. Holy smokers. John Franco. Oh, my God. Yes. 2000 is when I was really into baseball. Watching the Mets go to the World Series and lose. All right, this is Tom Seaver. I think I saw that. So I don't even know. I think it goes. I don't even know if it goes in there. No, it goes on this. Tom Seaver. It's an empty box. See, what do we got here? Donruss. This can't be. I don't know what this is. 89? No, I don't think so. Oh my God, it's so old. Oh my God, look at that. What? These are packs? Oh, what? What is this? These are in... What is that? Puzzle? What? It's so old. It's a puzzle. Rubber band broke. Wow, it's a puzzle of something. That is wild. And these are all in the sealed cases. To be honest, I don't even remember getting this. So Donruss 89. Puzzle, oh yeah, puzzle and cards. That is cool. All right, let me put this away. So that's gonna go in the house. These cards, oh my gosh, I have another one? What? 1990. This is a 1990 puzzle and cards. Donruss. I'll keep those. Oh man, look at how dusty these are. Ugh. These are. Oh, I should go through these cards because there might be some air cards in here. These are. What year? 91. So usually they go up a one. So 91. Let me take these out of the box. I'll have to get a different box because this is too dirty. Oh my God, look at this. The quality. Let's see what we have. John Smoltz. Oh yeah. John Franco. Yeah, I'll have to go through these and see if there's any. There's a lot of issues. I've been watching some videos of people opening and showing the. Oh, it's just so dusty. Howard Johnson. Wow. I'll have to definitely go through these. These are just kind of clean them off outside first. Oh. Oh, I love going through stuff like this. I don't know what's in these. That should be my complete set of 97 Upper Deck Collector's Choice. 89? Wow. God, who would be the rookie? Is it Junior? Griffey Jr.? I think it's Griffey Jr., so I'll have to see. Ken Griffey Jr. Back when when baseball cards weren't really worth much, but they're still cool. All right, that I'm going to throw away. That is garbage. Okay, well, what do we got? This right here, I think, it says 97 Upper Deck Collector's Choice. Wait, that can't be right. It doesn't look like it. What are these? Oh, they are. They are. They are. Yep. Now, I don't know if it's my complete set or did I... So these are 97. They're tight to get into. $5 each. I put $5. Oh my God. When was I trying to sell these? Oh boy. Maybe I don't have my... I thought maybe I lost my complete set. I thought I put it in a binder. I might have lost the binder. It's alright. I remember getting those packs. Yep, Collector's Choice from the ice cream store. Stewart's, I think, had them. Okay, so there's 97 Collector's Choice, 2 of them. Put those back. What else we got in this box? What's in this? What does it say? This says Nolan Ryan Combo Collector Series 1 and 2. Wow. Let's take a look. Oh, okay. These. Texas Express Collector Set. Nolan Ryan. That's second series. And this must be the first series. Yep. Holy smokes. Oh, man. Okay. Keep going. Baseball cards. Me. Just random cards. Wow. Roger Clemens. Just random. Oh, Nolan Ryan. Oh, Nolan Ryan Donruss. Oh, snap. King of Kings. Mark McGuire. Wow, I got Nolan Ryan, 88 Donruss. I'll have to put these in some top loaders. Holy smokers. Wow, look at it. They cut the... What is up with that? They cut it. Wow, what? Was that standard like that? like they cut the names off. I think that Nolan Ryan might be, for me, it's worth good. Like, he's one of my favorite pitchers of all time. What are these cards? Donruss. Donruss cards. Okay. Looks like they're all Donruss cards. I think. Yep. Tops. Oh my God. They're all different. All different. All right. Okay. More 1997. I told you, Upper Deck. I collected them all. I don't know if the complete set is here and I put them in here. I doubt it. Is that card 1? No. Wow. Wow. It's been fun getting back into it. I was able to, I sold a Michael Jordan. I sold a Durant card, baseball card, 1-1. That was cool. Wow, look at these. So it's been fun getting back into it, buying new packs. 2024 and 2025 tops is what Bowman and tops I've been buying. I've been liking those. Okay, and then what's this? 1991 miscellaneous. Looks like my handwriting. 88, 89, 90 Donruss. Oh my gosh. It's just a random pile of cards. Oh, I'll have to look through all of these. Oh man. Tops right here. Wow. Okay. Cool. And then I think that's it. Oh. Ken Griffey baseball, one of my favorite baseball games of all time. You were Ken Griffey, but no one else was Griffey. There was no other named teams, named players. Deer Hunter 4, Killer Instant Manual. Oh my God, the cheat sheet. What is this stuff? Street Fighter and Lion. Oh, these are the manuals for those. Okay. What is this? Good old High Tech 3 featuring Ya Kid K. Spin That Wheel, Flunk Mix, Turtle Rhapsody. What? Oh, man. Cool. Well, I'm going to probably go through these and see what I can find. Share your experiences with your cards and what you've been finding. All right, have a good day.